The Buick LaCrosse key fob uses a CR232 battery. Start by locating the hidden screw on the back of the fob, often under a rubber plug. Use a small Phillips head screwdriver to carefully open the case. Note the orientation of the battery with the positive side up before removing it. Insert the new CR232 battery in the same orientation, ensuring it is securely in place. Carefully reassemble the key fob case and tighten the screw. This entire process should take only 5 to 10 minutes. If the remote still isn't working after replacing the battery, first ensure the new battery has a voltage of approximately 3 volts using a multimeter. If the voltage is good, the key fob may need to be reprogrammed. Try manually reprogramming the fob by inserting the key into the ignition, cycling it to the on position without starting the car, and then pressing the lock button. If reprogramming fails, it could indicate a receiver module issue, which may require a visit to a dealership. Aftermarket programmable fobs are also an option and can often add features like trunk release to older vehicles that don't support it. Consider that extreme weather, like cold climates, can drain batteries faster.